All right, so this is the cab we bought for pieces, mostly for the under dash pieces, which we stripped out already, or not we, my dad. We also went ahead and cut this entire post out, and we're going to backtrack on this cab. Even though we had already been piecing this together and had done some welding, the one in that cab was better, and he decided to go ahead and just cut the whole thing out. So that's where it is now. A little bit of backtracking. And the inside was eat up so bad, we went ahead and cut all the way over to the center. All right, this is the piece that got cut out. It's going to go welded back in that corner. It's the whole post in one big chunk. And I'll come back this weekend and see what it looks like put together. All right, so now he went back together, put that post in. Basically what he did 3 videos ago, he cut back out and redid. Because the one with that cab was better. Still not quite right. This here ain't quite, don't seem straight, but in other places it does. Once it's cleaned up, you won't be able to tell. And there's still some work to be done to fill this in. Should turn on the light, huh? There we go. That's better. But all this up here is a vast improvement over what we had done before. Still a lot of welding and a lot of grinding to be done. That should come out pretty decent. It'll be hidden behind the sun visors and stuff. Yeah. Doesn't help if I video the back of the light, does it? And heater coil. My biggest contribution is buying parts so far. This is all the part that goes under the dash. It's in there like so. I think he's gonna put that together today and not put it in the truck though. The truck's not ready for that stuff yet. Alright, so a couple weeks have passed now and this piece is back in. He got it all in on the inside. That'll need more work to smooth out. And over here, like I said, he did it once and then redid it. All the heater stuff has been put together and it's sitting out until we finish all this. Got some holes in the floor. We're probably just gonna glass that, clean it up real good. I got these pieces here on order. They should be in any time for both sides. They were rusted out. And that is where we are at the moment. I'm gonna try to get a video this time because I got like 3 weeks of footage that I ain't done anything with yet. Yeah, this is where we're at. So probably gonna be on hold for a while because I got vacation coming soon. Not that I'm doing the work.